Okay, so you have seen the teaser from Air Canada a few days ago about their brand new seats, about their A321XLR seats. Yep, that's the one. And finally, we get a chance to see the real deal right now. Look at what is behind me right now. So right here, I have the 1A, which is the bulkhead seats. And right here is the mock-up of the last seats. So I'm going to check out the bulkhead seats very quickly. So let me show you. So imagine this is the aisle, just like me always getting into the plane from the first door and getting turned to the right. And this will be the seat. So just come over here. Aha, pretty nice looking, isn't it? I would say it's pretty roomy. All right, so why don't we give it a try by having a meal over here? Now, we have a meal tray table right on my left side, just with a very, very light touch. Oh, just like that actually. Fold it out gently like that. Now, I want you to see one thing. If I unfold it like that, it gives me some room and I'm able to get out. This is a huge concern for other airlines, American, Iberian, etc., that they're not able to get out the seat once the meal table is out. But here in Air Canada, they took feedback from other airlines, and so they decided to have the foldable meal tray, just like that. Now, one more thing. Remember what people say about American airline? That when a TV screen is out like that you no longer get services. I don't know how harsh and how much they reinforce this, but in this case, not a problem because it's just so easy to just close the IFE screen. Just like that. I was barely using any strength. So for our beloved flight attendants, when they're carrying the food on one hand, and with the other hand, they can just gently close the TV screen and meal served on your table. But what they do is that after they finish serving the food, they want us to continue enjoying the IFE facility to continue watching the movie. So what they do is, there's a button right below the TV screen. Just like that, I continue enjoying my movies. Now, if you come down right over here, there's a button. This is the button that the flight attendant can just gently press on it and the TV screen will open. I'm just gonna do that very gently. There we go. That is really, really cool. And this is first in the industry. Dare I say that. And just with gentle retraction like this, take the tray table and that's it. How wonderful is that? So proud of Air Canada with this one. Okay, so let's check out what's over here. Now, over here, if you want to have more privacy, you do this. You just push it up and you don't have to see the person beside you. But if you are traveling with your companion, just press this button over here. There you go. Say hello to your companion right over here. Make sure you are very close to the neighbor because you don't want to be interrupting the person beside you if you don't know that person, all right? And here you can share the meal because like over here, you can just like grab the food as well. How fun was that? Pretty nice, right? All right, so for the time being, I'm just gonna close this and continue checking out the seats. Now, right here, you have your reading light. Now, most reading light allows you to adjust, but for this one, it's fixed. It's just fixed onto the food. For now, let's check out some of the other parts. This is the armrest seats on my right side, which can be fully flattened later as you go on the bed mode, all right? Now, I want to show you other parts of the seats. Now, just now I mentioned that over here, there's a USB-C, and there's also the armrest that is adjustable. Did you see that? You can adjust your armrest. And right below it, this area is going to be very crucial for your flight because during your lie flat mode, your elbow is going to be able to utilize this space over here. And it also serves as a wireless charging. Now, there's one part over here that is not installed here just yet, but during the Air Canada official mock-up, you'll see that you are able to see how much of the flight time remaining for the rest of your flight time. So you don't have to get up all the way to look at the IFE screen. It's just right over here. Does that remind you of some other airline? That's Cathay. I really, really like that feature. So when this rolled out, you appreciate the convenience that you're able to see how much time you have left in your flight that easily right over here. Now let's come to this side. As usual, you have all the control panel over here. legs down. Oh, I didn't notice this. Yes. So over here, you're able to just do this. I swear I did not know about this one just now. I just found out about this. So if you still want to be in a somewhat upright position, but you want your legs to be comfortable, this is a very, very good position. Now, I know one of the concerns that many people face when it comes to the XLR narrow body business class is that they don't have too much storage space. Now, I'm not going to lie, storage space is not going to be in the same level as seen in the wide body. For example, the A350, the 777, you name it. But here, you actually have some decent amount of space. Now, like I said earlier, right over here, you have some space for you to put some stuff. But additionally, you also have right over here. This is quite a large area. Now, I would say that you will be able to comfortably put a MacBook 13 inches MacBook Air over here. And you have so much vertical clearance as well. So you can put quite a bit of things. And over here, right below the wireless headphone, you can also put, I'm just gonna like adjust the camera. There's also some additional space over here where you can put your amenity kits or other things that you don't use all the time, that you don't need immediate access when you are in the lie flat position. And this, listen to this. Real metal. This is really good. And then 2 more USB-C and also universal power outlets. Of course, over here you have the IFE remote control, literature space over here, your water bottle. All right. Now I'm going to show you the lie flat position. All right. Now with a press of a button, I'm not going to get off the seat, but I'm just going to be lying down here. I am going to press the button over here. Pretty smooth so far. And just a very, very quick note over here. Right below, you see a storage space for your shoes. Right below the footrest area. All right, we're gonna continue converting this into a lie flat seat. Now, so right now this is in the lie flat position, right? You see the armrest over here? You can just put it down like this. And this creates even more flat surface when you're in a sleeping, when you're resting during your flights. Now check this out. Fully leather. And you also have the 3 points. Seatbelt system, soundproof material, I suppose, and you also beautiful white wood and very, very luxurious finishes across all the surface. This is premium. Not gonna like lie or anything. Nobody even pays me to do this, but it feels very, very premium. I really like it. Now I'm going to make this flat, fully flat quickly. And I'm gonna come in from outside and get into the seat and see how easy that is. Now let me try to do this. Now, so let's say you just come out from the lavatory, you want to like go for like a quick sleep over here. And this is the seat, by the way. So much space. Now, so let's see how easy that is. Take off your come right over here. Off your shoes because you don't want to wear shoes when you are sleeping. Who does that, by the way? All right. Now, I am about 5'11" and a half tall, so a little bit above average height. And I have to say, this is wow. Even without the bedding, without the pillow, just as is, the headrest here serves like a very, very comfortable pillow. And remember what I said earlier about this armrest area where you have the additional storage space for your phone or some other smaller items. By the way, it has the wireless charging facility here as well. But if you have nothing to charge, this area serves easily as your additional area for you to put your elbow. Now, for example, if you are when you're sleeping on the side, I'm a side sleeper on the plane, so this is definitely comfortable. This is Chris approved, all right? Chris approved side sleeping, lying flat mode. I don't know how you call this. But yeah, so even if I want to change to this one, this is great. Wow. Like, now, for those of you who have watched some reviews about American Airlines, they said that it feels a little bit claustrophobic. I don't feel so. I really don't feel so. Look at this. This is really good. Wow. I want to show you from my perspective what you see. So look at this. So if I want to like wake up, I'm gonna grab something over here. You want to like continue watching your TVs over here. Oh, by the way, look at the recessed light right below the IFE screen. 19 inches IFE screen with the recessed light. Ah, by the way, if you, I cannot even describe to you. The finishes is beautiful. It's so comfortable to touch on. And of course, just a press of a button and you have your sleeping mode. So this is what I see. This is what I see. What I'm seeing is that you can just like turn your legs like this, do some yoga. Pretty good, right? Now, this is the time where you want to put your bed back into the landing position because it's about to land already, all right? We need to land the plane. We've been sleeping so comfortably on the narrow body for like 7 or even 8 hours. Can we do 8 hours? Maybe. I need to double check on that information. All right, so now that it's just me, I want to give you some more honest take on what I view of this product. I genuinely love it. I'm really not saying this just to please people, but all this time we have been listening to all the concern from other airlines that have the narrow body business class. A lot of their issues revolve around the meal tray table and also the TV screen and also the elbow space. Those have all been resolved for this product. Air Canada has been listening to the feedback from the passengers from other airlines, and they absolutely have nailed it. For a narrow body business class, I believe Air Canada might be the best one out there today. And I hope that no other airlines will be coming close to them. Now, even though it's a narrow body business class seat, you don't think it's a big deal, but I can tell you that these seats right over here, they feel almost as comfortable as a wide body. In fact, much more comfortable than many other wide body business class seats. Those B tier and C tier airlines, their business class seat in the wide body, they do not come close to this one. Very, very well thought out, very well executed. I was sitting there for a very long time just now, holding the space, and I was genuinely feeling quite comfortable. Now, I have not even experienced the soft products yet. There's no bedding over here just yet. It was just purely the seat itself. And I cannot imagine once they put on their mattress pad, their pillows, the amenity kits, all the soft products, I think the experience will be even more elevated. And I definitely cannot wait to try that out in the near future. I still don't know which route they'll be featuring this product just yet. I've spoken to the management just now. They're still trying to get some more pieces linked together, so to speak. But we will soon find out which route we'll be flying this brand new product soon. I really hope I'll find some airspace or a very reasonable business class points price. I'm definitely looking forward to fly on these seats in the very near future, coming to you by Air Canada A321XLR, Collins Aerospace Aurora seats. I'll see you next time.